So, thank you. Just briefly overview of how the meeting went and what were some of the issues that were discussed and how did it?
Oh, I think it is a good meeting. We're meeting here with the district advisory councils for the seasonal work program, and for government is focused on giving this opportunity to people in our rural areas for a number of reasons. One, they don't have much opportunity to get income generating or to get employment. So this is a way to. We're worried about urban drift. A lot of people coming to towns and cities. So if we can get the rural people to come on seasonal work, it helps to control the urban drift. It also gives them an opportunity also to get some income for the development of their lives. And it's and we know that people from the rural areas, they can handle the kind of work that is required there. We've had problems in the past. A lot of people, some people that have gone to Australia and New Zealand for seasonal work were not really focused on it. They could not last that long, they could not discipline themselves. So we want to have a good crop of people going. So by working with the district advisory councils, they can screen the people that we have in the establishment of our tikina pools. And if we have a good people going across net teams, there will be more demand for people for Fijian. That's what government wants. So in this approach to seasonal work, we're working in partnership. District advisory councils, we work in partnership with the tikinas, the Turani Koros and the chiefs of the area so that they can screen the people that we propose. People still have the freedom to be able to apply on their own, and if they are assessed, their names will be put into the work-ready pool that's there. But we're also establishing these district teams like we're doing here for the District Advisory Council, and also tikina teams. And we know the names that go onto these tikina teams and district advisory teams. They have been screened by the district advisory councils and the tikinas themselves. So they've been screened well. We know that they will be the kind of people that will enhance Fiji's reputation. I visited New Zealand in March of this year, and we went to see some employers where we have these tikina teams, and they are doing very well. So it's showing that the concept is working. It's working well, and something we need to strengthen. And right now, there are countries in the Pacific that are sending up to 3,000 workers a year to New Zealand. Fiji has only sent 200 plus. And for us to be able to enhance that, we will need to make sure that the people that do go, do a good job. That's what we're focused on.
So how critical would their role be?
Their role is very critical because they will screen the names that they have, and they screen them well, select good people. They'll be, like I always say, it's like good seed. You have good seed, you have good fruit. So if you get the right names, which we rely on them because they know their people, get that name, then the numbers from Fiji will increase.
So when it started, we've had a few bad stories about, but now people are starting to pick it up, and we've got a lot of reports, people coming in, saving a lot of money, helping them. So from the ministry's perspective, how has this eventuated over the years?
It keeps on improving. I think initially when we talked about going to people to Australia and New Zealand, we thought they'd come back with savings of 8 or 10,000 or 12,000, 15. But you've seen the ones that are coming back in the papers. There's one guy who just come back from Matuku, said he saved 26,000. Other people that I know, 20,000. That's good money. That's good money that they can think back and improve their lives. And if we had 1,000 people in Fiji that managed who are just living in the rural areas and planting for themselves, if each 1,000 people go and they all bring back 20,000, that's a big lot of money that goes into our economy. So you can imagine if we get to a stage where we're able to send 2,000 people saving 20,000, that's millions of dollars into the economy. So that's what we hope to be able to do.
So maybe through this medium you might want to send a message to those that are wanting or maybe seeking to come and register.
People have the freedom to come and register. They can always come and register in the work-ready pool on their own. But our focus will be on the rural areas, and we hope that in the tikinas that people can then give their names if they're living in settlements and living in the villages to the people that are doing the assessments. Through that way, we can hope to have a good crop. But people still have the freedom to register on their own. Sometimes some employers come and they're looking for very specific characteristics. Maybe somebody who is good at driving tractor or somebody who is familiar with certain things. We can then just check in our work-ready pool. Anybody who's got those characteristics, we can offer that name. So people have the opportunity to apply on their own and also to come through this tikina and district advisory assessment process. So many names, especially I didn't realize you have that many settlements, 90 settlements. Any other?
They stemmed the letter from Tunco, they issued it to us. So like for you, assessments will be through advisory council.
Screen, yeah? Sometimes when some group goes and none of that group has a driving license, then sometimes we pick people with driving license. Sometimes we have 1,000, 2,000 people going every year. Just go, come back, make some money, come back, and improve their lives.
Councillors, आप लोग समझ गए ना? तीन नाम लिखना थे. There down below there at near Market in HFH. After the HFH issuance, then I will just.
9906-554.
He said I went to Australia and I work for seasonal workers. Then how much you bring? He said 20,000 Fijian dollars.
Thank you.
It was a very healthy idea.
Thank you.
Especially we can also reduce the.
Yeah, and the good thing is a lot of times people don't have anything to do with it's hard work. Set? Okay. Now I got.